Recently, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi have called Russian President Vladimir Putin and congratulated him on two issues. One is he got a favorable mandate to continue as a Russian president up to year 2036, and the second event is 75th anniversary of Victory Day of World War II was successfully celebrated and completed by Russia, in which Indian tri-service groups also participated, and on behalf of India, our Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also participated. So, Prime Minister Modi ji have called Putin and congratulated him. Coming to Putin's tenure up to 2036, on Wednesday, last Wednesday, 2 days back, there was a referendum in Russia for constitutional reforms. The present Russian constitution came into force in 1993. So, to make certain amendments in the constitution, there was referendum in Russia 2 days back. And the referendum has so many changes. Referendum mandates many constitutional changes. 77.9% of the people voted in favor of constitutional changes according to Central Election Commission of Russia, and only 21.9% said no to the changes, particular changes. So, the overwhelming majority, that is 77.9%, is really important for Putin and his support. Here, what are the changes that were brought? The first thing is, the President of Russia can contest and be the President for 2 consecutive terms, 6 plus 6, that is for 12 years. And this rule will be applicable from today, that is henceforth, from now onwards. Already Putin was the Prime Minister and President from last 20 years in Russia. But the beauty of this amendment for Putin is, the favorable part for the Putin is, that particular constitutional amendment which brings the change that the President can continue for 2 terms, 2 consecutive terms, 6 plus 6, will be applicable from today. That means Putin can take the advantage of the amendment, and till now what all the positions he held as a President and Prime Minister will not be counted. The legal implication of this amendment is, the President Putin, the present term he is going to complete in 2024. After 2024, he can continue as President for 2 terms. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 up to 2036. That was the advantage for the Putin. And in future, the presidents of Russia can have only 2 terms. But Putin, from last 20 years, alternatively he is becoming President and Prime Minister, President and Prime Minister. But now he was successful in making people to support him that he can continue as a President for the next 2 consecutive terms. So, this is the beauty of this amendment. Apart from that, in the present constitutional reforms in Russia, protecting and preserving Russian culture, disallowing same-sex marriages, protecting pensions for Russians. So, there are so many amendments which people supported that. And the present age of Putin is 67, and now by all probability he will continue as Russian President up to 83 years of age. Even that was very important. In the context of Russian President Vladimir Putin, by all probability continuing in office till 2036 as a President, the future India-Russia relations for the next 16 years is very, very crucial. As we all know that till 1991, India and Russia are all other friends. Now, both are trying to diversify their relationship. Coming to Russia, Russia-Pakistan friendship is also increasing, their military exercises are increasing, and it has become a major concern for India. Though India and Russia are partners in BRICS, Shanghai Cooperation Organization and other international forums, still India-Russia strategic business partnership should grow. And yesterday there was a news that our Ministry of Defence have approved to purchase 33 fighter aircrafts from Russia. And already we have many deals with Russia. INS Vikramaditya we have purchased from Russia. We have made S-400 deal from Russia. And we are also purchasing fighter aircrafts from Russia. But there is a long way to go in the India-Russia relationship in future.